In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Klaviyo to Shopify. To get started, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you manage your store settings, apps, and integrations. Once you are signed in, look toward the bottom area of the left-hand menu and click on Settings. This is where Shopify keeps many of the tools that connect your store with outside services. After that, navigate to Apps from the left side menu. Inside the Apps area, click to open the Shopify App Store. This will take you to Shopify's marketplace, where you can find official tools and integrations designed to work with your store. In the App Store search bar, type Klaviyo. When the results appear, select the official app called Klaviyo Marketing Automation. It is important to choose the official version so you can be sure you are installing the correct integration for email and marketing automation. Once you are on the Klaviyo app page, click Install. Shopify will then show you a confirmation screen with the permissions the app needs in order to connect properly with your store. Review that screen and then click Install App to continue. This step allows Klaviyo to access the store data it needs for syncing customers, orders, and marketing activity. After the app is installed, you will be prompted to confirm the integration. Click Integrate to move forward. This tells the app that you want to begin connecting Klaviyo with your Shopify store. If you see a setup page or onboarding screen, continue through it until you reach the connection prompt. Next, click Connect to Shopify. This completes the linking process between the two platforms. Once connected, Klaviyo can begin syncing important store information, which is what allows you to build automations, create email campaigns, and track customer activity more effectively. As a quick tip, make sure you complete each confirmation screen carefully so the integration finishes without interruption. If a page takes a moment to load, give it a few seconds before clicking again. That can help avoid setup errors. After the connection is complete, your Shopify store and Klaviyo account should be successfully linked. From there, you can move on to setting up your marketing flows and campaigns inside Klaviyo. That covers everything you need to know.